Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. I am here to talk about the topic of labor. The labor topic are covered remuneration methods and incentive schemes, time-based system, piece rate system, Taylor differential piece rates, merit differential piece rates, cost system, premium bonus or incentive systems, Halsey plan, Barth scheme, organization for control of labor cost, motion studies and time studies. The remuneration methods and incentive schemes are time rate system, piece rate system and bonus system. Time based system, under this method payment is made on time basis like daily, weekly or monthly irrespective of the result achieved through the time period. Flat time rate, the rate and time are fixed in the advance per day, week or month. If worker work overtime, they are compensated at 1.5 or 2 times the ordinary rates. High wage system. This method is similar to the above except the fact that the time rate is fixed at the higher level compared to the rates prevailing in the industry. Graduated time rate. Under this method payment consists of two portions. One based on regular time basis payments and the other is linked the cost of living and merit awards. Piece rate system. These methods are based on the output linked payments to workers. The payments are fixed per unit of output irrespective of the time taken by the worker to produce a units. There are calculated in simple way straight piece rate. This is simplest form of payment by results. Under this predetermined rate per unit of output is applied. Standard hour system of piece rate. This is the result based payment with a dimension factored into it. We have seen the time and motion study and other engineering methods are used to determine the time based piece rate per unit. Differential piece rates. This system is based on the logic that workers should be rewarded for the higher efficiency. This earning method offers motivation for increasing productivity. One is Taylor differential piece rate system. Second one is merit differential piece rate system. Third one is cost system. Taylor differential piece rates. This payment scheme is based on fixing two or more pieces rates. A base level piece rate used for workers who do not perform as per standard and a higher piece rate used for workers who perform as standard. Example, calculate the earning of X and Y under the straight piece rate system and Taylor differential piece rate system. Standard production 10 units per hour, normal time rate ₹5 per hour. Differential piece rate to be applied, 80% of piece rate for below standard, 120% of piece rate for performance at above standard. Actual performance, X produced 80 units in a day of 10 hours, Y produced 110 units in a day of 10 hours. Solution, standard time rate allowed for 10 units 1 hour, time rate is ₹5 per hour, hence 1 unit equal to 5 divided 10 ₹0.50 piece rate per unit. Straight piece rate, X for 80 units at 50 paise per unit gets ₹40. Y for 110 units at ₹0.50 per unit gets 110 into 0.50 equal to 5,500. Differential piece rate. Low piece rate 80% of piece rate, 0.5 into 80 divided 100 equal to 0.40. Low piece rate 120% piece rate, 0.50 and 120 divided 100, 0.60. Standard output in 10 hours equal to 100 units. X produced 80 units below standard, earnings at ₹32. Y produced 110 units above standard, earnings at ₹66. Merit differential piece rates. It tends to discourage and attract average workers. Merit modified the differential system by introducing more slabs and by removing the punitive element. Formula for differential payment, up to 80% to 1/3% at normal piece rate, above 83 and 1/3 of up to 100%, 10% above normal piece rate, above 100%, 20% over normal piece rate system. Cost system. A performance standard is set to for each operation or group of operation. An hourly standard rate is fixed. The workers who complete the job within the allotted time gets paid for the time plus percentage of that time. Output below standard level guaranteed time rate payment. Output standard time rate plus bonus of 20% of time rate. Output above standard bonus of 120% of normal piece rate. Example, in a factory C, the output produced by workers in 8 hours, A 8 units, B 10 units and C 15 units. Standard production in 8 hours and 10 units, daily wages 2 per hour, bonus rate 20%. Standard output per day of 10 units, so A has performed below standard, B has achieved the standard, C has performed the above standard. Under contrast plan to earnings, A will get only time rate payment rupees 16, B will get time rate plus bonus of 20% at rupees 19.20, C will get piece rate system with is 120% of normal piece rate. So we will get 1.92 per unit, so we will get 28.80. Premium bonus or incentive system. These are also referred to as premium bonus plan that guarantee a minimum wages per hour plus a premium for output excess of stipulated norms. There are many variants of this method. There are Halsey plan, Halsey Ware plan, Rowan plan, bar scheme, accelerator premium plans. Halsey plan. This was developed by Mr. F.A. Halsey. Under this method, the payment for work done is related to a time taken to do a job. If the time taken is equal or more than standard time, the worker is paid a time rate based payment. If actual time is less than the standard time, then the worker gets a bonus of 50% of time saved. The balance 50% retained by the business. The formula, total earnings equal to actual hours multiplied with the hourly rate plus hours saved multiplied with hourly rate divided 2. Example, calculate the earnings of a worker under Halsey premium plan. Standard time for a job 15 minutes, hourly rate rupees 15, time worked 9 hours, output 40 pieces. The normal time rate wages 9 into 15 equal to 135 standard time for output, 40 unit equal to 40 multiplied with 15 divided 60, 10 hours. Time taken 9 hours, hence 1 hour is saved, so the bonus amount will be 1 into 15 divided 2 equal to rupees 7.50. The total earnings will be 135 plus 7.50 equal to 142.50. Halsey Ware plan. It was developed as a modified version of Halsey plan. The bonus percentage was modified to 33 1/3% instead of 50%. The other computations are same. Rowan plan. Under this method, a standard time is fixed. The worker will get times rated pay as per time worked. The bonus shared in a proportion of time saved to standard time applied to the time rated earnings. The formula is time saved divided standard time multiplied with actual hours into hourly rate. Example, where actual time was 9 hours, standard time was 10 hours and hourly rate rupees 15. The payment under Rowan plan will be 15 into 9, 15 into 0.90 plus 1 divided 10 multiplied with 9 into 15 equal to rupees 148.50. Bar scheme. This is also time-based payment scheme but is not a guarantee anytime rate payment. The earning is determined as follows. Hourly rate multiplied with root of standard time into actual time. Example, time allowed to perform a job in 5 hours and hourly rate rupees 2 if the actual time taken by A and B, C are 6, 5 and 4 respectively. The payment under bar scheme will be calculated as for A equal to 2 into root of 5 into 6 rupees 10.95. For B equal to 2 into root of 5 into 5 rupees 10. For C 2 into root of 5 into 4 equal to rupees 8.95. Accelerator premium plans. For low and average levels of output, the incentives are small, but for above averages output, the incentives are paid at accelerator rates. The most popular scheme is equation give as below. Y equal to 0.8x squared. Other incentive scheme. Profits sharing. This is an arrangement whereby the employees receive a fixed share in profits of the company. The plan has to be declared in advance so employees can go for it. Secondly, has to relation with a profit earned by the company. Indirect non-monetary scheme. These schemes aim at improving working condition is planned and other facilities. These benefits are normally permanent of natural as facilities once provided as rarely withdrawn. Organization of control of labor cost. Personnel department, engineering and work study department, timekeeping department, payroll department and cost accounting department. Personnel department. Personnel department plays a very important role in control of labor cost. It is primarily concerned with the recruitment of laborers on the basis of employee placement requisition and imparting training to them and thereafter placing them to a job for which they are best suited. Engineering and work study department. Engineering department is primarily concerned with maintaining control over the working conditions and production methods for each job, process, operation or department. Preparing plan and specification of job, maintaining record safety and efficient working condition, making time and motion studies, conducting a job analysis. The maintain control over working conditions and production methods, method study, motion study, time study, job analysis, job evaluation and merit rating. Method study. It is one of the important components of work study. The chief aims of this study is to find a scheme of least wastage. Method study is defined as systematic and scientific evaluation of existing and proposed plans and performance of any work system and the evaluation of improvement through the analytical process of critical examination. Motion study. Frank Tilforth, who is the real founder of motion study, according to his motion study may be defined science of eliminating wastefulness resulting from ill-directed and inefficient motions. Effective utilization of material, machine and labor, elimination of wastage, time and labor, maintaining high standard, reducing the unnecessary movements, better design of workplace and ensure fair remuneration with job satisfactions. Time study. Time study is also called work measurement. Time study may be defined as the art of observing and recording the time required to do each detailed element of an industrial operation. It assists in setting standard time. It facilitates effective labor cost control. It helps to ascertain the idle time and overtime. It is useful to establish a fair and suitable wage rate system. It facilitates effective utilization of resources. Job analysis. Job analysis is the formal and detailed study of jobs. Job analysis may be defined as the process of determining by observation and study the task with the comprise the job with the methods and equipment used and the skills and attitudes required for successful performance of the job. Job evaluation. Job evaluation may be defined as process of analyzing and describing positions, grouping them and determining their relative value by comparing the duties and different positions in terms of their different responsibilities and other requirements.